This problem is for black to make a ko. As always, it's important to understand why black cannot make a living shape. So if black tries something like this might be a ko if white plays at number 2. But what white can do instead is to play here. Now black must connect, and now white can destroy black's eye space. And it'll be something like this. And it will be a bulky 5 shape, essentially, and black will be dead. So number 1 is eliminated. If black tries this move, then what white can do is actually this. This is threatening to connect back. So black must try to prevent white from connecting back. But white can play at number 4, and then at number 6 to destroy this eye on the outside. So black will only have 1 real eye, and thus black will be dead this way. So number 1 will fail. If black tries to increase its eye space by playing here, then white can simply reduce black's eye space by playing this Atari and this band on the first line, and we'll have a bulky 5 shape, and white can kill black very easily, like this. And if black tries this, once again, white can play this move, black must connect the cutting point, and now white can play this move, and this will eventually become a bulky 5 shape. So black is dead once again. So far we've eliminated quite a few black's first moves. So the correct one that's left really is this one right here. Now this becomes a problem for white to make a ko. If white simply tries to reduce black's eye space from the outside like this, black will actually live after 1, 2, and 3. If white plays something on the inside, this will be a seki, a mutual life pattern, so black will be alive again. So white cannot play at number 2 here or here. White's best bet actually is to play here first and then play this throw in. So really this is a challenge for white to make a ko. Throwing in here will work because black can only capture, and now white Ataris from the outside, right? White cannot play here because black will be able to make a real eye this way. And now black has 2 real eyes. If white plays here, then black must play this, and this will be a ko. If white wins the ko, then this eye will become a fake eye, and black will die. If black wins the ko, then black will be able to make this eye into a real eye, and thus having 2 real eyes in total, and make a living shape. So overall, the methodology is not super complicated. You have to understand why black cannot make a living shape, and try some of the first moves and see how they fail. Then you come up with a correct first move, and this becomes a challenge for white to make a ko. And for white to make a ko, we use a common technique, and that is the throw-in move right here. And after this exchange, white will be able to make a ko. And this is the correct answer for this problem. Thank you for watching.